cicada romanticizes as the insect that sings till it dies. I wander through the night, through forests dark and hills so high, seeking a quiet eye. Cicada is the symbol of survival and defiance against death, metaphor for enduring hardship and success, a voice unsuppressed. Repeating frequencies, energy, sightseeing, eyesights were protest anthem that will sing without stopping. No off switch for the love bug. Frequencies, energy, sightseeing, eyesight. Transformation as rebirth, characteristic settings of the singer. Cicada, vibrant life, the power in symbolizing, singing and mating, emerging, molten, reproducing before dying. The love bug never ending, lover's existence intertwined with the inevitability of death. The cycle transformational, automatically created rewards, benefits of knowledge of character of the feta. Life in cicada symbolizes transformation, a resilience emphasizes flight and connectedness power. Protest anthem for love frequencies, orgasmic energies of cicada. The summer of cicada, iconic frequency energies, future self speaks beings, eyeballs, kerosene, a voice of cicada, freedom, vibration, dreams intertwine into the sunset. The love box sings, ways agenda speaks, surveillance for love, breaking seas, beings hitting non-stop, loudly protest anthem. Shadows grow, figurines dark below, a light so small yet guiding me to a sanctuary in the shadows. Oh, there's a sight in the distance, a place of peace, a place of rest, in the heart of the forest. Vividly, loudly sing, find my voice, and in the darkness I choose to let go of all the noise and find the calm that I pursue.